30 days, $500 saved. New money habits for life. This challenge has changed the finances of thousands of people. Day 1. Write down every dollar you spend today. No judgment. Days 2 to 5. Track all spending. Find your biggest surprise category. Days 6 to 10. Identify 3 expenses to cut for the rest of the month. Day 11. Cancel one and use subscription. Day 15. Cook every meal at home this week. Save $50 to $150. Day 20. Sell 3 items you no longer need. Target $50 minimum. Day 21. Set up automatic savings transfer, even $25 per week. Day 25. Create a simple monthly budget for next month. Day 30. Calculate your savings. Most people hit $200 to $500. Small wins build confidence and momentum. 30 days is long enough to form habits, short enough to commit. Most people who finish it continue the habits permanently. Download my 30-day challenge tracker at https://funbiz.gumroad.com.